Guys, I invented a new machine in Rocket League. This is how you do it. Okay, so this is how you do it. So it's like a cookset pinch, but don't go like this on the side. Like instead do this. Like roll all the way back. See? That was insane, that pinch. See, look, and it goes in with no bounce. Okay, let's see how fast it is. 91 kph. Okay, this is called Cookset Isaac. Thanks for watching, and send this to Musty and West. They need this technique. I mean, this Cookset Isaac.